We'll continue to with our videos, and we just want to look at some words in Igbo and how to use them to make some sentences. We just want to look some few words, few common words in Igbo that we often say in Igbo and how we can use them to make sentences. For instance, we have up. Up means elu. Up means elu. I am climbing up. Anam arigo elu. I am climbing up. Anam arigo elu. We have dan. Dan means Anna. You can say Anna or Allah. Dan means Allah or Anna. Come down. Ritu Anna. Come down. Ritu Anna or Ritu Allah. We have sit down. Sit down. Noro Allah or Noro Odo. Sit down. Noro Allah or Noro Odo. Stand up. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Stand up. You can also know the common ones. Bia. Come. Bia. Come here. Bia eba. Come here. Bia eba. Go. Go means gawa. 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 Leave means poor. Poor. Leave. You know, in English language, you can use go and leave at the same time. Leave. Poor. Go. Gawa. Live here. Live here means poor eba. Poor eba. Go out. Poor iro. Poor iro. That was like egg. Aqua. Aqua. Egg. Aqua. I want to eat egg. Achorom iri aqua. I want to eat egg. Achorom iri aqua. I want to eat pizza. Achorom iri pizza. Have child. Child in Igbo language means nwa. My child is beautiful. Nwa m mara mma. My child is beautiful. Nwa m mara mma. We have car, word like car. In Igbo language it means ụgbọ ala. Ụgbọ ala. Be it car, motor, whatever name you are calling it. Ụgbọ ala. My dad has a car. My dad has a car. Nna m nwere ụgbọ ala. My dad has a car. Nna m nwere ụgbọ ala. Have word like water. Mmiri. Water means mmiri in Igbo language. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Then we have words like achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Then we have words like teacher. Your teacher. Teacher. Onye nkuzi. Teacher. Onye nkuzi. My teacher is smart. Or let's just use a simpler word. My teacher can teach very well. Onye nkuzi m na-akuzi nkuzi ọfụma. Okay, we have words like house. Ụlọ. Ụlọ. House. Ụlọ. We have a big house. Anyị nwere ụlọ buru ibu. We have a big house. Anyị nwere ụlọ buru ibu. Or you can say ụlọ anyị buru ibu. We have a big house. Anyị nwere ụlọ buru ibu. Or you say, ụlọ anyị buru ibu. That was like family. Ezina ụlọ. That is the meaning of family. Family. Ezina ụlọ. Which family do you come from? Kedu ezinụlọ isi na ya pụta? Kedu ezinụlọ isi? Kedu ezinụlọ isi? Which family do you come from? And we have words like food. Food. Nri. 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 Food. Food. Nri. And to make a sentence with it, you can say, I want to eat food. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. Agụụ. Agụụ means hungry. Hunger. Hunger. Agụụ. I am hungry. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụụ na-agụ m. That will be all for today. We'll continue next time. Ta-ta!